Welcome back to 10 Slide Info's Defense Update series. In today's video, we'll be running through two latest defense updates which are related to Pakistan. The first one is regarding Pakistan Army inducting the first batch of VT-4 main battle tanks of China. The second update is regarding Pakistan's malfunctioning LY-80 Chinese surface-to-air defense missile system. So let's begin with each update one by one in a detailed manner. As per the defense sources, it looks like Pakistan Army has formally inducted the first batch of VT-4 main battle tank. VT-4 is a Chinese third generation main battle tank built by Norinco for overseas export, and this tank is derived from the Al-Khalid tank. I have already uploaded a separate video on Al-Khalid tank, and you can refer to the top right I button or the details section of this particular video for the link. In addition to Pakistan, the other two countries which operate these VT-4 Chinese tanks are Nigeria and Thailand. Major General Rashid Mahmood briefed about ongoing post-shipment inspections of the first batch of VT-4 tanks, and the senior officials were present during the occasion who witnessed the mobility and maneuvering capability of these tanks. According to Pakistan Army, the VT-4 tanks are compatible with any modern tank in the world which has advanced armor protection, firepower capabilities, and state-of-the-art technologies. I'll be uploading a separate video to provide more information and details about this particular tank and also a comparison with the Al-Khalid tank. Now coming to the second update related to Pakistan, which is regarding the malfunctioning Chinese surface-to-air defense missile system. The system which I am talking about here is the LY-80. To be more precise, as per the defense sources, it looks like Chinese technicians are working day and night in Pakistan for the past 2 months attempting to repair these low-quality missile systems. Normally, majority of the products made by China are of low quality, but we expected at least exported armaments to be good, but looks like even that is not the case. Pakistan has deployed these low to medium altitude air defense system LY-80 at 9 locations after inducting them during March 2017. Even the installations were done with the help of the Chinese technicians. These systems were sold to Pakistan, stating that these mobile air defense systems are capable of tracking and destroying a variety of aerial targets at longer ranges and which fly at low and medium altitudes. The LY-80 can be operated under the environment of strong electromagnetic interference and during all weather conditions. These systems are land-based version of HQ-16 system which is used in the ships. So these were the two updates related to Pakistan which have come out recently. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it. And also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.